In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your Godaddy domain to your hosting or web hosting. Now this is going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial, so I'm going to show you everything from beginning to end. The first thing you want to make sure is be logged into both Godaddy and also Hostinger on the same browser. And then we want to start on Hostinger. As you can see right here, it looks like this. And then we want to start on Hostinger simply to the dashboard, and then on the left sidebar you want to go to websites, and as you can see here are all the websites that I have, to website hosting. And now what we want to do, under your web hosting, click add website right here, and now you can choose your desired website builder. Now for me, I'm going to select WordPress, which is what I would recommend as well. And now it's going to bring us into this setup for the login details for our WordPress account, so I'm going to click next. And then it's going to ask us to choose a pre-built website, and I'm going to start from scratch. So click create a blank site, and this is then where we want to connect the domain name. So for this, I'm going back to Godaddy right here, and now I'm going to copy the domain name that I have right here, and then go back to Hostinger and paste it in. Now as you can see, we get this showing up, studiohassle.com, do you own this domain? Use it. So we want to click on that option. And now we get the message, this domain is registered at another provider. You have to verify you own it when you connect it to your site. So we click next, and now it's going to install WordPress on our hosting. And great, now we are redirected to our site in WordPress, and now we see the domain needs setup. So we click on manage, which is going to bring us back to Hostinger. And then from here we can see domain isn't connected, so we click on check guide. And now we can simply follow the steps right here, as we need to change the name server records to these ones from Hostinger inside Godaddy. So now we go back to Godaddy, and at the left sidebar in your dashboard, go to domain. So here we can go to DNS, and then we want to go to name servers right here. And now as you can see, the domain servers are set to these, and we want to change them. So let's click change name servers, and now say I'll use my own name servers. And now from here we want to go back to Hostinger and then copy the first name server and paste it in right here. And we want to do the same thing with the second one. I'll also paste them in right here, and then we click save, and now it's going to make the connection, and we click continue. And now as you can see, we got this message, success, your request is in progress. So now basically the domain name and our hosting on Hostinger are going to make a connection. So now what we can do, we can go back to Hostinger, and as you can see, connecting your domain name might take up to 24 hours, so keep that in mind. So now we can go down and say I've changed the name servers, and click finish. And now as you can see, if you change your DNS records, your domain will be connected soon. It may take up to 24 hours. You can also enable that they will send you an email when the domain is connected. So we click on close. Okay, now it's actually been 30 minutes, and as we can see, the status has changed to transfer your domain to Hostinger. And now as you can see, SSL is installed. We can now take a look at the site. So let's click on it. And as you can see right now, it still needs some more updating, but at least the domain name is connected. And this is the domain name of our WordPress site. So now what we can do, we can type in WP admin, just like this with the dash in the middle. And this is going to bring us to the backend of our site, where we can log in with the credentials we set up earlier. And as you can see, that brings us straight into the backend of our site with our custom domain name. So this is pretty much the entire technical setup of the video. Quite easy if you ask me. If you need any help, please ask it down in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help you out. With all that being said, have an amazing rest of your day.